So starting out, one of the first improvements is the add camera, which you can find under Q. If you press Q, you can locate it under the operations menu under add camera. However, if nothing is selected, you can press Q and add cameras there as well. So if we add camera, you'll see that the camera is added. And if we press F9, you can bring up the panel where we can see that it's set to be the active camera, and also the pass parallel is enabled, so that way the cameras always start. But we also have this rotation parameter, so now you can make it rotate multiple times around your object over the course of an animation. So we'll just set this to 4. Now let's press numpad 0, and if we press Control Spacebar and we let this play out, you can see that we get a fine, seamless, continuous 4x animation that goes all the way to the end and begins again seamlessly. So I'm very proud of what Add Camera has turned into, and I hope to continually see it further improve going forward, but I just wanted to show you where it's at now.